Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I welcome you all for having responded so wonderfully to the moving canvas. I think it is also speaks of the artists who are participating today and also the beautiful place. You have to see the lot of paintings. The paintings here has been done by artist Manisha just for Kadamba. It talks of Devi, Sri Jagadamba Kadamba Vananta. So it depicts that. And that is Krishna. Because you find verses in the Gita Govinda about how Krishna and Radha frolic under the Kadamba tree. So just take a look around after the event. Bharatanatyam draws inspiration from allied arts, music, painting, sculpture, poetry, prose, dance and painting are related. It is expression of inner emotions in a space, rhythm, color. Both are interrelated. I have a very interesting quote from an unknown painter. He said, "For me, the energy, speed, or power of dance gives me thrill, an impulse, a feeling of excitement. Dance is like a fire whose sparks light me up, especially with jumps and fast movement. I feel the sensation. Then I have no time to think and I hardly know what I am doing. It is an irrational process, as there is direct connection from my inner feelings to my hand. An intuitive process with plenty of room for coincidence and serendipity. I don't see, like some artists do, specific colors around dancers. I just see a vague, expensive, strong image passing by in a flash. And most of all, I feel energy and movement in the air. Not only outbursts of dance energy can inspire me, but also slow and quiet moments of intense focus and concentration in movement." So today we have 10 artists depicting the 9 rasas. You might wonder why 10. We have one dancer who's going to depict all the rasa together in a wonderful sloka. The first artist doing the Shringara Rasa. For people who don't know what rasa, I don't think there is anybody here who doesn't know what rasa means. But it is my duty to say that rasa literally means juice, essence, or taste. It refers to the emotional flavors, the essence crafted into the work by the artist and relished by a sensitive spectator or sahridaya, or one with positive taste and mind. We first come to the Shringara Rasa. The Shringara Rasa is going to be depicted by a beautiful man. Satyanarayana Raju is one of the most sought after dancers and choreographers in India, lauded for his soul-stirring performances and staunch training techniques. Trained under Guru Srimati Narmada of Shakuntala Nrityalaya and Guru Srimati Subhadra Prabhu in the Pandanallur style of Bharatanatyam, Satyanarayana was also trained in Kathak under Dr. Maya Rao and Srimati Chitra Venugopal. An A-grade artist of Doordarshan and a Yuvakala Puraskar awardee, he trains many students at his institute Samskriti, the Temple of Art. Shringara, the Rasa Raja, that's why a man. The sentiment of love. Shringara, the experience of bliss by lovers. Twinkling eyes, bright face, smile, sweet words, gentle movements. Here, Satya's note. It is the internal yearning of Panchali that has been depicted in this passage of Shringara. Born out of fire, Panchali's life was always a turbulence with unexpected turns in her life. Marrying Arjuna was a silver line, and she loved him immensely. She loves her long hair and she wishes Arjuna to hold them all and make a braid. She imagines Arjuna with limitless love and passion, untying his braid, removing her stubborn internal locks and smoothing her hair, making it immaculately flowing, silky bunch of black bliss. She loves his touch on her braid and the way he decorates it with fresh, fragrant fine flowers, which makes her look immensely beautiful. Her shyness while explaining this intimate encounter with husband makes her look completely lost in the love for Arjuna. Ladies and gentlemen, Sringara.
Gama pa ma re ga re re ga ma pa ni da pa re ga ma pa ma re ga re re ga ma pa ni da pa ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮುಡಿಯ ಹೆಗ್ಗಿ ಬಾಚುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮುಡಿಯ ಹೆಗ್ಗಿ ಬಾಚುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮುಡಿಯ ಹೆಗ್ಗಿ ಬಾಚುತ್ತಾನೆ ಪಾರ್ಥ ಪಾರ್ಥ ಜಡೆಯ ಹೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ ಜಡೆಯ ಹೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ ಜಡೆಯ ಹೆಣೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ ಪಾರ್ಥ ಜಡೆಯ ಹೆಣೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮುಡಿಯ ಹೂವ ಮುಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮುಡಿಯ ಹೂವ ಮುಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಹೂವ ಮುಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮನದ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಪಾರ್ಥ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಎನ್ನ ಮನದ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮನದ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮನದ
All these artists have come from Bangalore, and all the artists from here who are very busy just to perform for 5 minutes. But it only takes that much to portray a rasa, isn't it? We don't need an hour's performance for us to portray a rasa. The next is Hasyam. Sangeeta Ishwaran would be presenting it to us. Sangeeta is trained in Bharatanatyam under Gurus Padma Bhushan Kalanidhi Narayanan and Srimati Savitri Jagannatha Rao, who's here. Namaskaram Akka. She has researched many performing and visual art traditions across the world, creating a unique cart-ready technique of empathy-based social transformation. An empaneled dancer of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Sangeeta has also received several other national, international fellowships and has performed widely. Hasya, the sentiment of mirth. Smitam, hasitam, vihasitam, upahasitam, atihasitam. Shiva says, I wear a necklace of bones, elephant skin on my body, snakes as my adornments. Certainly, I am the right man for Parvati. So saying, he laughs. Today, Sangeeta would be performing Ninda Stuti, Edakinda Modi, very well known, where Parvati is actually mocking Shiva. Hasya.
எதுக்கு தன்னை மோடித்தான் உமக்கெந்தன் மேனையா எதுக்கு தன்னை மோடித்தான் உமக்கெந்தன் மேனையா ஐயா 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 எதுக்கு தன்னை மோடித்தான் உமக்கெந்தன் மேனையா ஆடும் ஆடும் காலெடுத்தம்பலத்தில் நின்றீர் அதனை சொன்னேனோ ஒற்றை மாட்டுக்காரன் என்று யாருடனாகிடும் வாய்மதம் சொன்னேனோ ஆடும் காலெடுத்தம்பலத்தில் நின்றீர் அதனை சொன்னேனோ ஒற்றை மாடுகாரன் என்று யாருடனாகிடும் வாய்மதம் சொன்னேனோ தலை ஓட்டிலே இறந்து உண்டீரில் உண்மையை சொல்லேனோ தலை ஓட்டிலே இறந்து உண்டீரில் உண்மையை சொல்லேனோ பல்லை காட்டி முப்புறத முன்னே நின்ற கதையும் எச்சில் உண்டதையும் பல்லை காட்டி முப்புறத முன்னே நின்ற கதையும் எச்சில் உண்டதையும் சொன்னேனோ எதுக்கித்தனை மோடித்தனும கெந்தன் மேலைய ஜாதியும் தாயும் தகப்பனும் இல்லாத தனியன் என்றேனோ பெண்ணால் பாதியுடம்பாகி கல்லும் சுமந்திட்ட பறையன் என்றேனோ ஜாதியும் தாயும் தகப்பனும் இல்லாத தனியன் என்றேனோ பெண்ணால் பாதியுடம்பாகி கல்லும் சுமந்திட்ட பறையன் என்றேனோ ஜாதி பேதமாய் பிள்ளைக்கு குறவர் வீட்டில் பெண் கொண்டீரேனோ ஜாதி பேதமாய் பிள்ளைக்கு குறவர் வீட்டில் பெண் கொண்டீர் என்றேனோ மறை ஜோதி வணங்கும் நடேசரே உமை நான் ஒப்பாரும் இல்லாத பிரியன்றேனோ மறை ஓதி வணங்கும் நடேசரே உமை நான் ஒப்பாரும் இல்லாத பிரியன்றேனோ எதுக்கு தனே மோடிதனும கெந்தன் மேலையா ஐயா எதுக்கு தன்னை மோடிதனும கெந்தன் மேலையா ஐயா எதுக்கு தன்னை எதுக்கு தன்னை எதுக்கு தனி மோடித்தான் உம கெந்தன மோடித்தான் உம கெந்தன.
Karunarasa, the sentiment of compassion. An example. On hearing that her husband is dead, the wife cries, wanting to join him in death. But when she thinks of her child all alone, she faints. Karunarasa. This will be portrayed by Roja Kannan, a senior disciple of Padma Shri awardee Guru Adyar K. Lakshmanan and Padma Bhushan awardee Srimati Kalanidhi Narayanan. Roja is a performer, teacher, choreographer, and arts administrator. Over the course of 5 decades, she has established her Academy of Natyam and Music, Bharatanatyalaya and has trained hundreds of disciples. The recipient of many awards, Roja is also the academic in charge of Kalpakam Dance School, Kalpakam, and the Akhil Diksha Foundation for Arts in Ranipet. Ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to introduce our wonderful musicians, Srimati Nandini Anand and Shri Shruti Sagar. You've seen them now, you'll see them again, and then you'll see them again. This is the evolving of music for Bharatanatyam with them. Ladies and gentlemen, Karuna Rasa.
தாமதம் செய்யாது வந்த தாமதம் செய்யாது வந்தருள் மாதோர் பங்க பூதேச 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 தாமதம் செய்யாது வந்தருள் மாதோர் பங்க தாமதம் செய்யாது வந்தருள் மாதோர் பங்க தாமதம் செய்யாது வந்தருள் தாமதம் செய்யாது வந்தருள் மாதோர் பங்க வாடிய பயிரை வாடிய பயிரை கண்ட போதெல்லாம் வாடிய பயிரை கண்ட போதெல்லாம் வாடினேன் கண்ட போதெல்லாம் வாடினேன் வாடினேன் பசியினால் இளைத்தேன் பசியினால் இளைத்தேன் வீடு தோரிரந்தும் வீடு தோரிரந்தும் பசியராதயத வெற்றரை கண்டுளம் பதைதேன் பசியினால் இளைத்தே வீடு தோறிறதும் பசியரா வெற்றரை கண்டுளம் பதைத்தேன் வெற்றரை கண்டுளம் பதைத்தேன் 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 நீடிய பிணிய நீடிய பிணியால் வருந்துகின்றோர் நீடிய பிணியால் வருந்துகின்றோர் என்னேருடன் கண்டு உளம் துடித்தேன் என்னேருற கண்டு உளம் துடித்தேன் பிணியால் வருந்துகின்றோர் என்னேருற கண்டு உளம் துடித்தேன் ஈடின் மாணிகளா ஈடின் மாணிகளாய் ஏழைகளாய் நெஞ்சிடைத்தவர் தமை கண்டே இளைத்தேன் நெஞ்சிடைத்தவர் தமை கண்டு இளைத்தேன் 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 அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி தனி பெருங்கருணை 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 கருணை கருணை
Compassion, empathy is the need of the hour, the way things are happening in this world, isn't it? I'd like the audience to just see what is happening with the artists on the side. Also, the next is the Raudra Rasa, the sentiment of fierceness. An example, when Parashurama hears the death of his father at the hands of the Kshatriyas, he reacts in anger and vows that his powerful axe will avenge his death, Raudra Rasa. To perform this is the very beautiful Vidya Subramaniam, a Bharatanatyam artist who had an initial training with Dr. Padma Subramaniam, and then under Sri S.K. Rajaratnam and Srimati Kalanidhi Narayanan. Acclaimed for her sensitive choreography and emotionally charged performances, she has been awarded many laurels and has performed in many countries. In her charismatic creativity, one witnesses a strong belief in the validity of choreographic structure combined with openness to new influences. Raudra Rasa.
ಮುಟ್ಟಬದುರ ಮುಟ್ಟಬದುರ ಮೋಹನಾಗ ನನ್ನಿ ಪುಡು 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 ಮುಟ್ಟಬದುರ గట్టు చేసియుడక బట్టి వదులాడుచు ముట్ట వదుర గట్టు చేసియుడక బట్టి వదులాడుచు ముట్ట వదుర గట్టు చేసియుడక పటి వదులాడుచు ముట్టవదుర మోహనాగ నని పుడు ముట్టవదురా ఆసబతి పైట తీసి జూచు సంతోషమాటలాడుచు బాసరి చిన్న చేత ముట్ట దూర ఆసబతి పైట తీసి జూచు సంతోషమాటలాడుచు బాసరి చిన్న చేత ముట్టవదుర మోహనాగ నని పుడు ముట్టవదురా మందయన మోవి విల్తులాడిన నబదమోదిన గంధమందిన చేత ముట్ట మందయన మోవి విల్తులాడిన నబదమోదిన గంధమందిన చేత ముట్ట వదుర మోహనాగ నని పుడు ముట్ట వదుర కాముకేలిలోనే కామి నిందే చాల ప్రేమతో కూడలిన శ్యామ బోబలు నీ చేత ముట్ట వధూరా కాముకేలిలోనే కామి నిందే చాల ప్రేమతో కూడలిన శ్యామ బోబలు నీ చేత ముట్ట వధూరా మోఖ నాగా నని పొడు ముట్ట వధూరా ముట్టవదూరా ముట్టవదూరా
That was a classic Tanjavur quartet padam. The next artist is Lakshmi Gopal Swami. Lakshmi began her initial lessons under the tutelage of late Srimati Padmini Rao. She then further honed her skills under the able guidance of Guru Srimati Narmada and Professor M.R. Krishnamurti. The recipient of many awards and the creative mind behind a host of rare dance dramas, Lakshmi has also established herself as a versatile actress in Malayalam, Tamil, and Kannada cinema. Currently pursuing a PhD in cultural studies, Lakshmi aims to delve deeper into the subtleties of the art while making it accessible to all. Veeram. Veeram, the sentiment of valor. Lakshmi's note. What is Veeram? Veeram is a king who appears valiant but hides in his palace at the time of crisis. Veeram, like a cow disguised under the tiger's skin. Does a man who makes empty promises, fearing people's opinions, make him a Veera? For Lakshmi, Veera is overcoming fear. Like a woman who steals jewelry but has the power to confess later. Like the warrior who happily gives up his life for his country, Veeram is a very powerful intellect. Lakshmi performs an abstract theme with a little sloka. Ladies and gentlemen, over to Lakshmi.
Saka sa sa ma ga sa pa ma ga ma pa sa pa ma pa sa ni saka sa ni ni sa saka sa ma ga sa pa ma ga ma pa sa pa ma pa sa ni saka sa ni ni sa saka sa ni saka pa ma ga sa ni ni sa ni pa ni pa ma pa ma ga pa ni saka Veeram வலியில் நிலைமையான் வல்லுருவம் பெற்றம் புலியின் தோல் போர்த்து மேய்ந்தற்று இது வீரமா அனம் தகனம் தனம் தும் ததனம் ததகனம் தும் நம் ததனம் ததகனம் தகனம் தனம் ததனம் தனம் ததனம் தும் ததனம் தும் ததனம் தும் ததனம் ததகனம் ததகனம் ததனம் ததகனம் ததகனம் ததனம் தகனம் ததனம் ததனம் தகனம் தகனம் தத்தக இது வீரமா அனம் தகனம் இது வீரமா இது நம் தும் ததா நம் தும் ததா நம் தும் ததா நம் தும் ததா நம் ததா நம் தும் நம் ததா நம் ததா நம் தும் நம் ததா நம் ததா நம் தத்தகனம் தும் தத்தகனம் தும் தானம் ததகனம் தானம் ததானம் ததா ஆனம் ததகனம் ததகனம் ததா வீரம் 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 வீரம்